Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes of the Huawei P Smart. So let's start. We have to go to the dialer for the codes, and we will start with the project menu. So it's star hash 2 8 4 6 5 7 9 and hash star. Now we are in the project menu, and maybe we have the background settings with the USB port settings and so on. Let's go back. We can make a software upgrade here, no? From the SD card maybe, and also make a factory reset. We can check the battery charge, so it's on level 47, the battery temperature is on 31 degrees, and yeah, and also the one. There's no one actually because the temperature is below 70 degrees. Let's go back. Also some linear information, other infos. As you have many things here, you can check. So let's go back to the dialer. Okay, let's go to about phone. Star. Okay, now we have some information about the phone, maybe like the model, like the build number, the hardware version, the email number, and so on, the ICC IDs, so the SIM card number. So it is good information. And let's go back now. Is the most interesting one. It is the testing. Okay, it's star hash 6130 hash star. Okay, now we have first of all some phone informations, and here you have some information about your phone. You can you have the IP address. You can make a ping test, and so on and so on. And you have some Wi-Fi informations, some Wi-Fi stats, and you have the usage statistics. Now you see all the apps you have, and also the camera and so on, when you have used it for the first time and when you have used it, how often you have used it. If you here see something like the 1st of January 1970, it means that you never have used this app. Maybe in my case, the Chrome browser. As you can see, the phone is brand new actually. Okay, let's go back, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and maybe you could learn something new about your phone. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my video. And thank you so much for watching. Ciao.